Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to delete backup on the iPhone. So first what you want to do is click on your settings, then scroll down or just click on your Apple ID right here on the top and wait for it to load. Then click on iCloud, and once you're here just need to click on iCloud backup, and here on the very bottom you will see all device backups. So just click on that, and either you could turn off or delete each of the backups of the apps right here. So you could delete them individually if you want by just clicking on the switch button right here, or you could just basically turn off and delete everything from your iCloud by clicking on the button here below or on the very bottom. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe. It helps reach more people. See you on the next one.